Hi friends, and welcome with us. It's Friday. We are going to be working now on comparing numbers. So this last week we've been practicing a lot on identifying numbers and using our place value, because in order to compare a number you need to be able to identify the number's place value in order to find out which numbers are larger and which numbers are smaller. So we are going to be working in our big math book, lesson 7.1, which is page 290, which is 29 tens and 0 ones. Okay? So you're going to use this page and we're going to work together. Now, what we have been talking about is when you're going to do this, you have your rules that you follow. So when you're looking for a number that's greater or larger than, you're going to start with the tens place, and you're going to see which tens has the largest number. If they don't have the largest number, then you're going to move to the ones. So as you can see, that's what they did here. So when you looked at the sixes, both sixes were the same. So that had the same place value in the tens, so you looked at the ones place value in a 2 and a 5. And we determined that a 5 is a larger number than a 2. So 65 would have been larger, and we used that by identifying the ones. So 65 is greater than 62. So this is going to be your alligator mouth. And today we're going to be working with greater than. So it's always going to be the largest number that we put first. But that's not always the case. That's just going to be how we're practicing today. So we're going to practice putting our largest number at the beginning, because your alligator likes to eat bigger numbers. So this symbol where the large mouth is open first says greater than, okay? So here we go. Starting with our numbers 84 and 48. We're gonna look to see which number is larger. So we start with the tens. So I have an 8 and a 4. These are not the same, so I have 8 and 4. I know 8 is a bigger number, so 84 is gonna be my largest number. And I used the tens place to identify that. So my number is 84 is larger than 48, okay? So 84 is larger than 48, which means 84 is gonna be where the alligator wants to eat, because alligators like larger numbers, and the 48 would go behind where the point is. So this says 48, or 84 is greater than 48, okay? Let's try one more together, friends. So let's look at our tens place. We have our 7 and a 7. Okay, these are both the same, which means they have the same tens place value. So now we're gonna look at our ones, and we have a 2 and a 0. Which number is larger? Correct, a 2 is larger than 0. So 72 is greater than 70, and we use the ones place to find that number. And then we're gonna put it together. So ready? 72 is greater than 70, okay? Which means our 72 goes up front where the alligator mouth wants to eat, where he's nice and open. And then, oops, sorry friends. 72 goes up front, and the 70 goes in the back. So 72 is greater than 70. Okay, so you're gonna keep going today, friends, with this page. You're gonna turn over to page 291. You're gonna do page 291 and flip to the back end, page 292 for me and your teachers, please. Do your very best work and submit it to us. Good luck, my friends.